Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Hope all of you are doing well. Today we are going to learn about made of and made from. We use made of when we can get back things, and we use made from when we cannot get back things. For example, paper is made dash wood. Can we get back wood from paper? No. So here we use from. Paper is made from wood. The next one is cheese is made dash milk. Can we get back milk from cheese? No. So here we use from. Paper is made from milk. The bottle is made dash plastic. Can we get back plastic from the bottle? Yes. So here it come off. The bottle is made of plastic. The ring is made dash gold. Can we get back gold from the ring? Yes. So here it come off. The ring is made of gold. Hope you get it, guys. Thank you so much.